All right, guys, we got the May Oxt Cocktail Smoker Kit. I love these things. I'm excited to make a cocktail tonight. We're just going to smoke some whiskey. I've got some Jameson here that we're going to do it with, already poured up. But let's go over what's inside here just to see what you're getting. First thing I want to show, it comes with 2 whiskey cubes. These are great if you want to be able to keep your drink cold, but you don't want to water it down. If you put ice in there, once it melts, kind of gets more watery. If you want to keep your drink strong, put these in the freezer for a while, and then they're going to keep your drink chilled. So those are great. Let's see the utensils. So this is what we can use to like grab the ice or grab the cubes. This is the spoon we can use to scoop the chips out, which we'll use in a second here. These are nice little utensils. They seem pretty high quality to me. Let's go over the wood chips themselves. We have many options here. We've got beech wood, hickory, oak, cherry, apple, pear, pecan, and peach. So many different options. What we're going to do is we're going to go with oak. For some reason, I like oak and hickory. I don't even know why. I just do. Then we got the torch. This is the important part, right? This is where the magic happens. Let's get that going. You can see the flame there. So basically, all we do is click that button there. You can lock it if you need to. So, you know, if you got children around or something like that, you can lock it. But the one thing I'm going to tell you about this is you're going to need to have some butane on hand. And all you do is basically you take that off. On the bottom of the torch, you just basically put that in place and hold it down. Now, I've already got enough butane in there, but that's what you do. You hold it down for about 5 seconds, then you let it sit for a few minutes, and then you're ready to go. So we've got the torch ready. Let's take this out. So this is the actual unit we're going to put on top of the drink and of the glass. So it's very high quality, a high quality wood. You can see this is the tray where the wood chips will sit. And the cool thing about this is they provide one, but they also provide a second one. So I think that's really useful. In fact, I haven't seen that in a lot of the other kits. So basically what we do is we're going to put this on top of the glass so it kind of seals it. And then we're going to put some oak chips in there. And okay, just whatever. Keep going. Yeah. My God, dude. Just don't spill it. These things, yeah, I know. I'm trying to think, like, how do you get this open without?
I remember that from mine, too. Should you try twisting it, maybe? Like a little bit?
Is that what it is? You wonder, that is what it is. Fuck. God damn it. All right, guys. So we've got our oak chips right here. Got a nice oaky scent to it. And we're just going to take some of the oak chips and just put them right in there. Boom. Let's get them all in there. All right. All right. So now we got the torch ready. Let's get it on. Boom. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and torch this and get it smoking. All right. Now we're gonna cover it up, and you can see the magic is already happening. This stuff is so easy to use. I'm not an expert cocktail maker, and that is just working. That is working really well. And you can see in the glass, we've got a nice smoky cocktail going with that oak, and you can smell it, right? Yeah, that smells good. Partly it's just like the aroma. The vibe you get, adding that to it, it just kind of feels cool. You don't even need to add any more to it other than this, and maybe some ice, and you're good to go. Cheers. Get this for dad. Get this for yourself. Get this for grandpa. There's the smoke. Cheers.